A lot of y'all were saying sneaker of the year with the black cement 3s. I don't know if the energy's gonna be kept on release date. Are these gonna sit or are they gonna sell out? What's the verdict? Today we're taking a close look at the Jordan 3 black cements. We've actually had these in the studio for a little while now, so I've marinated with them. What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
And I'm gonna give y'all my full thought on this sneaker. I'm gonna compare them to the green glows, A Ma 3s, white cement 3s. I'm gonna throw them on feet. If y'all end up enjoying this video, go down below and drop a like. The new goal is 300 likes. Y'all been going crazy on the content lately. We recently hit 28K. We're actually at 28.1. So shout out to all of y'all who have been subbing up. If you are new to the family, let me know in the comments so I could welcome y'all the proper way, but I'm yapping. Today we're going over the black cement Jordan 3s, showing y'all all the little details, throw these on feet, compare them to the previous retro, all that happening in this video, so make sure y'all stick around to the end. Black cement 3s originally released in 1988, and if y'all didn't know, Jordan was actually gonna leave Jordan brand after the Jordan 2s. The Jordan 3s brought this man back, and I honestly can't hate on it, bro. The 2s was ass, 3s are crack. Damn near top 3 Jordans all time. But when you think Jordan 3s, you think of these too. White cements are debatably better, if not equal, to the black cement 3s. We got these reimagined last year, and even though they have the milky outsole, they honestly killed it on this release. This pair is no different. I actually could appreciate the fact that they decided to keep the midsole true white on this pair. It gives it that OG vibe, at least when they're new and fresh. I know that they're gonna end up like this in the future, but I'd rather just get a clean, crispy pair sometimes. Out of the white cements or the black cements, which one do y'all like more, or which one do y'all think is more wearable? Let me know in the comments if you would rather have the white cement 3s or the black cement 3s in your collection. Both are solid options, but now that I'm thinking about it, I would low-key rather have these, just because we've been getting so many different iterations of this black cement. We literally got the green glows this year. Y'all are seeing them on feet, and you probably couldn't even tell that they're not the black cements. We also had the A Ma Maniére 3s, which I'm gonna compare these to those in a little bit. Out of these two, I think I would still take the white cement 3s. That's just me. Let me know how y'all feel. I honestly do appreciate the fact that Nike and Jordan brand is upgrading the shape on these retros. If you go look at the 1988 pair, it's damn near this right here. They used the elephant print that was on that pair. Shape is damn near perfect. I love the direction that they're taking it. One thing that I feel like would improve the brand is if they upgraded the comfort on these retros. That's one of the main things holding Jordan brand back, the fact that they're not comfortable at all, bro. Even though they look nice, these shits will have your feet barking after hours. That's just the way it is. So add a better insole. It'll probably cost more manufacturing dollars, but y'all already charging us $220, $230, bro. That's why these shits not selling out. I guarantee you, if these were comfortable, more people will become repeat customers. Now it's like they look fire, but they also feel comfortable at the same time. I'd rather spend retail if I know that at least they'll feel good on my feet and I could wear them all day. That's just me personally. I know I use these shits for content, but if I was a regular consumer, that's just the way that I would look at it. Real quick, let's compare these to the previous retro, which is these right here, bro. The inflatable SBs with the black cement colorway. If y'all look at these and then look at these, it deadass looks like a complete different sneaker, bro. It looks like these ate these, bro. Let's be real. I don't know if that affects the comfort of the sneaker or not, but the way that these look is superior by so much that I can't even explain it, bro. Like, these deadass just look like they ate the other shoe, bro. Mines are cooked, so I needed a new pair regardless. Like, these look like the reimagined version of the new one, which is set to release November 23rd at a retail of $220. I know these shock dropped last week, so a lot of y'all might have your pair in at this point. Let me know if y'all experienced quality control issues. I bought an early pair and my shits look splendido, bro. So let me know in the comments if y'all straight. But let's break down the details on the Jordan 3 black cement super speed, because y'all already know what these are, bro. You got that red pod on the front, Nike on the back, gray and white on the bottom. Move to the midsole, we do have that true white that I was talking about, gray on the toe, wrapping around the bottom towards the heel of the shoe. Working our way up, we do have that elephant elephant print, which like I stated earlier in the video, is damn near that replica to the 1988 version. I love what they did with it. These are clean, bro. They might go on sale, may not, might sell out, may not. We really don't know, but they look fire, bro. So if y'all wanted these, honestly, the best time to get them is probably at retail. I don't know how far below retail these would go. And even if they are on the apps like StockX selling fakes, you feel me? I would just rather buy them straight from Nike. Bite the bullet, pay the 20, 30 extra dollars and know that you getting some real shit. That's just my opinion. Unless you have like a reputable reseller that you're buying your shit from, that's all up to you, not my business. But going back to the shoe, we do have that spectacular elephant print. Then the material is damn near the same as the green glows, if not a little bit better, bro. It's like one level over that, but it's nowhere near what we got for the white cements. For everybody that was hating on the A Ma Manieres, waiting for these right here, I told y'all, bro, I tried to tell you that these might fuck around and just be better than the black cements, simply because materials are butter and y'all really sleeping on them. Like, these are dead ass under retail, and I think they smoked these. If these weren't OGs, I would rather get these. That's just me though. It's like a luxury version of the Jordan 3. These days when we're getting bombarded with this, I would damn near step away and just grab these. That's just my quick little side note. When we talking quality, I'm thinking A Ma Maniére. But if you're just looking for a fire ass colorway that goes with everything, the black cement 3s is damn near the way to go. I love the way these fit and feel, simply because my feet are a little wider, so the 3s just work better for me. Out of all Jordans, the 3s are actually one of the more comfortable ones long term, but it's still not up to par compared to something like Asics or damn near a lot of other shoes. Someone actually commented in the first look video of these asking about sizing, so I decided to bring out the white cements again, simply because when I bought these, I got them in a size 10. I love loose lacing my sneakers, slide in, slide out type of situation, and I quickly realized that it was gonna turn into a slide out and not slide in situation because my foot was sliding out these shits with the loose lace method. That's not a vibe, you feel me? So I decided to size down to a 9.5. Long story short, bro, size 9.5 if y'all like a snug fit. True size if you tie your sneakers. I know on feet, these are definitely gonna look fire. You just can't go wrong with the black cement 3s. It's almost like a bulletproof recipe and they know it. That's why they keep dropping this same shoe with a ton of different versions of it, because it's just gonna slap every time. And on feet, I'm pretty sure y'all seeing exactly what these are looking like right now. Moving on further on the upper, we do got that black leather I was talking about. Nothing too crazy. Red eyelets right here. That gray perforated leather where the eyelets are. You also do have that gray perforated tongue leading on to the Jumpman on the top of the tongue. As you can see on this pair, you can't really see the red over the top of the tongue. That's almost like a new upgrade, you feel me? Unlocked feature on these hoes. We haven't got that since like 88. I'm not gonna lie, watch this. The puffed up joints got that red everywhere. You literally cannot hide it. And then these are just a little more discreet. They even are a little lower in profile, so it just works better with clothing. And I'm yapping, bro, but these are fire. That's really what I'm trying to tell y'all. You do what you want to do, but these are clean. That's just my perspective on them. Nike Air on the back is ever so spicy. These do come with that cheap hang tag from back in the day. I miss when they did the bubble hang tags. I don't think I got one in this crib. Yeah, I miss when they used to do that shit. Black Nike Air on the insole. I feel like I showed y'all everything on the shoe, bro. That pretty much does it for this one, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure y'all get this to over 300 likes. Like I said, that is the new goal. Y'all low-key got the last video to over 450, so I know that's easy. Keep subscribing to the channel. We on road to 30,000. I appreciate all the love y'all been showing. And if y'all want these, comment down below if you're gonna be copping them. I might drop one more video talking about them before the actual release, just after I see what the vibes are price-wise, stock-wise, all that. I might talk about that in that video. But for now, we spoke about all the details on this pair, threw them on feet, compared them to a bunch of Jordan 3s, gave y'all a little bit of history, everything you could think of. All that being said, make sure y'all have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. Also, check out one of these two videos right here. That's what YouTube's recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Click one of those two and I'm sure you would enjoy. But all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace.